Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Photoshop tutorials how to make a grid. I will create new files with the default template settings. Now if you want to make a grid in this canvas, you can go to view, click on show and then click grid tools. So to be show for grid. And if you want to edit this grid, you can go to edit menu, click preference, and then you can click on guide, grid and slash. After it, in a grid option, you can set for the grid lines in here. Like I will set inch into millimeter, and for grid line we set into 10, and look, it will be more small in the canvas. You also can set again like into 50, it will be more bigger. You also can set for subdivision, and then for the custom line in here and custom color like yellow and the other. Okay, that's it for basic Photoshop tutorials how to make a grid. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.